Hello mga kadabers and everybody in the Philippines. Nandito kami ngayon sa arena na gagawin namin ang Monster Jam here in Brisbane. Look at the arena. It's so huge. Ayan ulit. This is the day 3 ng arena. Wala pa masyado yung mga cars. Kasi bukas pa isa-set up. Wala pa yung mga buhangin. Anyway, today we did already the setup for the stands, like put up the stands na novelty stand and the food stand, mga sinet up na namin sila, and then later we just have to check kung ano pa mga dapat gawin, like yung mga cables, yung mga kulang, mga cap stands, and the rest of the equipment. It's hard here because it's a massive arena, so will take us like 45 minutes to get some things, you know. So dapat sabay-sabay na namin kukunin ni Marivic, di ba Marivic? Take us like 45 minutes to roam this arena. Look at this. It's so big. So big. Pero sabi nila, this is the smallest pangada compared to Sydney. It's gonna be a big one. So this is Brisbane. Ito po yung arena namin sa Brisbane. Look at that. Diba? So, ganun na muna mga kadabers. This is my 3rd day. My diary for here in Brisbane. So, yun, thank you very much yung mga nag-check ng aking mga videos. Look at that, themonsterjam.com. Did you see? Themonsterjam.com. Ayan. Oh, I love to be part of the Monster Jam family. It's really, really good. We just finished our lunch here, so they really take good care of us. They feed us. That should be, no? That's the way it should be. For their for their employees. Ayun lang, we're using this vest para mayroon kaming mga protection kasi we walk around the arena. Maraming nangyayari dito, may mga forklift. Ayan yung mga forklift, bulldozer, so yun lang muna. Okay, we have to go. See you later mga kadabers. This is Francine reporting live here in Brisbane. See you, ciao!